Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks to grow your business online. Today, I've got something really exciting for you, especially if you're looking to leverage Pinterest to boost your sales and traffic. We're diving deep into how Pin Inspector can totally transform the way you use Pinterest to drive free traffic and generate leads. Now, let me start by saying this. Pinterest is not just some place to pin pretty pictures for inspiration. Over the years, it's grown into a massive powerhouse for driving organic traffic. And believe it or not, it's actually one of the fourth largest free traffic sources online right now. With millions of active monthly users, Pinterest has become the go-to platform for people to not only get inspired, but also to discover new products and make purchases. Think about it. 60% of buyers start their product research on Pinterest. That's a huge opportunity, and if you're not tapping into it yet, you're missing out big time. But here's the thing. It's not just about posting pretty pictures. It's about having the right strategy, using the right tools, and optimizing your content for maximum visibility. And that's exactly where Pin Inspector comes in. This tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to take their Pinterest strategy to the next level. It helps you tap into Pinterest's full potential by giving you real data, detailed insights, and the ability to analyze what's actually working. You might be wondering, how exactly can Pin Inspector help me? Well, let me break it down for you. First of all, Pin Inspector gives you the ability to dive deep into accurate keyword insights directly from Pinterest. This is so important because, unlike other platforms where you have to rely on third-party data or guesswork, Pin Inspector pulls real-time monthly search volume data straight from Pinterest itself. That means you'll know exactly which keywords people are searching for in your niche, and you can tailor your content around those terms. This is a huge advantage because you can target the exact keywords that will help your pins get discovered by your ideal audience. No more guessing whether or not your pins are using the right keywords. But it doesn't stop there. Pin Inspector also allows you to analyze top-performing pins, boards, and user profiles. By studying what's already working for others, you can easily figure out what's resonating with users in your niche. You can see the content that's generating the most engagement, and you can use that as a blueprint for your own pins. This gives you a competitive edge because you're not just guessing what your audience wants. You're using real data to create content that's likely to perform well. And the best part is, it's all in one place. You don't have to jump between different tools or platforms to gather the information you need. One of my favorite features of Pin Inspector is the ability to discover hidden opportunities. This tool lets you uncover all related interest keywords and explore different niches by analyzing Pinterest boards. Maybe you're in a crowded market and you're struggling to stand out. Pin Inspector helps you find those niche keywords that might have less competition but still attract highly engaged users. The tool gives you access to a wide range of keywords and interests you might not have thought of, giving you the chance to expand your reach and visibility without getting lost in the noise. And let's talk about ease of use for a second. Pin Inspector has a built-in browser and scraper, which makes everything so much easier. You can explore Pinterest and extract all the data you need directly from the platform, without any complicated setup or extra tools. This makes it perfect for competitor research and content planning. You can track what's working for others, pull ideas from the top-performing content, and seamlessly incorporate them into your own strategy. It really does take the guesswork out of Pinterest marketing. Here's the kicker. Pin Inspector is available to you without any monthly payments. That's right, you pay once, and you get lifetime access to all these incredible features. Imagine how much money you'd save compared to other tools that charge you monthly fees for similar features. With Pin Inspector, you get unlimited keyword searches, unlimited data extraction, and unlimited access to Pinterest's real monthly search volume data, all without breaking the bank. And if you're already a user of Pin Inspector, I've got great news. There's no need to purchase again. Just restart your Pin Inspector software, and an update window will appear, allowing you to download the latest version with all the new features and improvements. This tool is constantly evolving, and the latest version is packed with updates that make it more powerful and user-friendly than ever. So, if you're serious about using Pinterest to grow your business, Pin Inspector is the tool you've been waiting for. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest marketer or just starting out, it will help you optimize your strategy, reach more people, and drive more sales. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Take control of your Pinterest game today and let Pin Inspector be your guide to success. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using Pinterest to grow your business. Catch you in the next one.